system. Of course, for those of us who don't know why we're here, I think it's good that you should appreciate that Eastleigh Hood, it's a non-profitable organization that is based in Eastleigh, that thought it is wise that it should start training the youth in terms of art, in terms of course, nurturing talent, and many other things. They've also been doing programs of nurturing and empowering the youth in terms of social responsibility. They're doing a very great work. If you've never been to their offices, of course, you can see the offices in Eastleigh. And I'm sure when you get there, everybody in Eastleigh knows where Eastleigh Hood is. They're doing a very good work in terms of empowering the youth. They sat down and thought that it's nice because they are within the Somali community. They should have a Somali Culture Day that has never been there. Of course, you've heard about the Luo Day, you've heard about the Kamba Day, you've heard about the Kisii Culture, you've heard about the Coast Regional Cultural Days. But they thought that it's nice that them too, being part and parcel of this country, that they should also have a cultural day that we, the other Kenyans, can see and learn more. And of course, learn how to integrate and live together through cohesion, of course, and peace. And that is why they saw his night. And they partnered, of course, with the Netherlands Kingdom. They also partnered with the ambassador, of course. Being told also they partnered, of course, with Abroad Kenya and, of course, Yarden, who are also based right in the building here. The Somali ambassador to Kenya, Mr. Jamal Mohammed Hassan. Thank you very much for finding time within your busy schedule to be with us today, and we appreciate the presence here. Tupigie makofi tafadhali. You know, pastors are very busy, but aliona ni vizuri sana awe na sisi leo. Tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu akubariki. Was all wants to recognize the presence of Yusuf Hassan Abdi, who is the Kamkunji MP. I also want to appreciate the support, and of course, I know they're going to be with us very soon. Peter Kenneth, who is an aspirant for governor. The Netherlands Embassy, a Ministry of Foreign Affairs, I also want to recognize your presence. Thank you very much. I want to welcome Rahma, of course, from Eastleigh Hood, so that she can tell us more about Eastleigh Hood and tell us about the program. Welcome, Rahma.
Assalamu alaikum. Thank you everyone for coming. We appreciate your presence. I'm Rahma, for those of you who don't know me. I'm from Eastleigh Hood. I first want to welcome the representative from the Dutch Embassy. I also want to thank and welcome the Somali ambassador to Kenya. And I want to welcome for the Somali communities who are here, for the non-Somali communities who are here, and for everyone, each and every one of you. Thank you so much for coming. If I tell you a little bit about this project, we call it Somali Cultural Day, but it's not only about today. It's been going since August. It's a 3-month project, August, November, and December. So the reason we wanted to have this, the reason we thought this is important is because many people, especially for non-Somalis, when they hear the name Somali or Somali person, they get frightened. They think of either being, before it used to be about piracy or every Somali being a pirate, and now it's about every Somali being a terrorist. And that's because not many people understand our culture. Not many people know the Somali people. They only know what perhaps they hear about the news or on screens. But now we want to show the actual thing, the actual, the Somali actual thing that's happening. So, together with our partners, with our partner Yarden and other members, and we said that we want to have this project so that Somali people, if I go back to Somali people, they are not, they don't feel welcome, and because of that, they might, if I don't feel welcome in Kenya, in the community, in non-Somali communities I am with, and I feel that I'm rejected of who I am, of being a Somali or of being a Muslim, then that will be easy for others, for people with bad attention to approach me, and that I can be easily radicalized. So this is about a project that the non-Somalis can understand the Somali culture, and vice versa, the Somalis can understand better about the Kenyan communities, so that we can interact more, we can interact well, and we can all live peace. Somalis are known for a business-oriented people. First, they are business-oriented people. They are peace-loving people. So few individuals from the Somalis cannot represent all Somalis. They are just the minorities. There are only few people. So we can't say all Somalis are terrorists or they are this. We can't also say that all non-Somalis they mistreat us. They do this to us. Also, it doesn't work. It's vice versa. It goes both ways. So we sat down and we thought of a way of changing this so that people, the number of people being regularized can be less in the Somalis, especially in the Somalis and other non-Somali communities. We sat down with the Aden, and we said this would be the best way to do it. So on August and November, we have been doing a survey. When we say that Somalis or non-Somalis, they don't go well, sometimes they don't get along well, then you have to have a proof. You don't need to use your assumptions. So we have done a survey. We've conducted 100 surveys from non-Somalis and the Somali community as well, asking them whether they have a Somali friend or a non-Somali friend, both ways, so that everyone can talk nicely. Even Somali, and then I say I don't have a non-Somali friend, then I should tell why I don't have a non-Somali friend. Maybe because I think they don't like me because I'm Somali. Because whatever the reason is, we have done a survey about that. And after we have done the survey, we have also done a peer-to-peer influence, especially reaching non-Somali communities, to attend to this event and to know a lot and better about the Somalis and understand them well. And I really hope especially the non-Somali communities who are here right now, thanks to this project, now they have more friends, Somali friends and they can talk well and interact with them. And now they can't say that, no, all Somalis are this group, or this certain group, this group. So you should know that Somali can be found. Not all your fingers are same, so you can say all Somalis are the same people or they are the same group. So that's why we wanted to have this culture. It's not only about the culture, it's not only about the Somalis showing the culture. It's not about peace loving, showing a community that loves peace, a community who wants to live with other people, a community who feel that they are marginalized by other communities in Kenya because of who they are. That's the reason we wanted to have this project. And I really, once again, thank you all for coming here. I also want to welcome the Kamukunji MB, Mr. Yusuf Hassan. Thank you.
Such a son of Allah, very humble way, of course, to the Somali Cultural Day. You can tell us more, of course, and shed light more about what we should, of course, relate and how. Thank you.
Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for the kind invitation. I really appreciate coming here. As you can imagine, Nairobi, the largest community, non-Kenyan community in Kenya, it's been the Somali community, the busyness of our schedules. First of all, I would like to acknowledge the presence of His Honorable Yusuf Hassan Abdi of Kamukunji Yusuf. I also want to acknowledge the presence of the representatives from the Dutch Embassy and from Yali and from others. And also thank the supporters of this program. This is really one of the core programs that as an embassy, as a Somali community would like to see happen in Nairobi. This is, in essence, a showcase of Somali culture and heritage. As you mentioned, Somali culture is a very rich and diverse culture with a strong background and root in the entire East Africa. You can go from Djibouti and come to Nairobi, seeing and experience in different segments and sectors of the Somali culture and heritage. We Somalis all share the same culture, same language. Regardless of where you are, you can always find some commonalities within the Somalis. So we always appreciate those of us who are out there promoting our culture and values and heritage. For us, at the embassy, we have participated and co-organized a number of events related to our culture and heritage, and we would appreciate seeing our friends from Kenya and our partners promoting and doing the same thing. This kind of event fosters deeper understanding among the communities. You will understand more Somali people and Somali as people when you understand their culture and language and where they're coming from. In Kenya, you have Somali Kenyans who share the language and culture and heritage with Somalis on the other side of the border, on the other side, either Ethiopia or Kenya or Somalia and other countries. So the more you understand the Somali Kenyans, you will have an open understanding on the other side, your neighboring countries. So this is a bridge for all of us. And we would like to thank you for highlighting this, and thank you for inviting us. We really appreciate. And going forward, I will be more than happy to attend any event, whether it's culture or the Somali language, that you organize, so I can be proud of our culture and come and participate. Thank you very much. waxaan rabaa inaan Soomaali wax ku sheego runtii waxaan ka mahadnaqayaa asmaada aad isoo gudbiseen Sleewood saad la socotaan dadka Soomaalida waa dad dhaqan iyo af iyo waxyaalo badan wadaaga meel kasta Soomaalida ku nooshahay Soomaalida Kenya ku nool Soomaalida Soomaaliya ka timi ku Ethiopia ka yimi ku Djibouti ka yimi dhammaantood waxaa naga wada dhexeeya dhaqan iyo af iyo hiddo isku mid ah waxaan aad u faraxsanahay dadkaas waa casuunteen halkii ka yimi oo ugu horeeya xildhibaanka xaafadda Kamukunji laga soo doorto Yusuf Xasan la socotaan taariikhda ummadda Soomaalida ku dhexleeyahay sida uu horumariyay dhaqanka Soomaalida warana ugu soo shaqeeyay afka Soomaaliga iyo luqadda Soomaaliga horumarinteeda waxaan kaloo jeclaan lahaa inaan xuso dadka taageeray barnaamijkan ay ka mid tahay dowladda Holland iyo barnaamijka iyaali dhalinyarada ka shaqeynaysa iyo dhammaan dadka ka yimi meelaha kale ee qaybka barnaamijkan dhammaantiin waa mahadsantihiin oo wax lagu farxo dhaqanka Soomaaliyeed maanta inaan xafladka isugu intaas qof oo laga yaabo intooda badan hore ula soconay maanta bartaan annaga safaarad ahaan iyo fadada ahaanba waxaan jeclaan lahaa inaan aragno xafladahan oo kale meelo badan ku soo bandhigtaan sababta waxa weeye mar haddii qofku dhaqankaaga afkaaga iyo waxaad tahay ogaado markaas uu ixtiraam badan ku qaadayo ku baranaya laakiin haddaan la is aqoon la isma ixtiraamayo la isma dhexgeli karo marka waxaan ka codsanayaa dadka hawshan soo qaban qaabiyay inaad sii xoojisaan barnaamijyadan oo kale oo aad horumarisaan barnaamijyada gaar ahaan ku saabsan arrimaha dhaqanka iyo arrimaha nabadgelyada sababta waxa weeye haddii aan nabadgelyada laga wada shaqeyn oo dadkan waddanka u jooga aan nabadgelyada ka wada shaqeyn waad kaanaysaa inaan xarumo dhaqan isugu nimaano inaan wada shaqeyn wax badan qabsano marka runtii inaad arrimaha dhaqanka iyo amniga iyo nabadgelyada xaafadiina ay deegaan ku nooshihiin xoogga saartaan dadka Soomaaliyeed waa dad inta badan diinta Islaamka muslimiina waxyaalahan la sheego xajinimada aan diintuna isma galaan marka in la kala saaro dadka xajinimada wax kale diintuna wax kale diintuna waa diin nabad kaliya iyo wanaag ku saleysan marka inaad taa xoojisaan iyo dhaqankeena oo diinta asalkiisu yahay inaad isku xirtaan iyo Soomaalinimada inaad ilaalisaan waxyaalahaas oo dhan ayaa horumar keeni kara marka aad iyo aad baa mahadsantihiin insha Allah kuwa dhammaan wada kala soo qayb gali doona asmaadana oo fidsan oo ka mahadsantihiin
Thank you very much. Of course, your participation is highly appreciated and of course welcomed each and every time. Sindio, let's come. Thank you. Tupigie makofi tafadhali Hannah as she comes. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Anna. I'm saying this to make sure that Tarumbeta, you're getting ready. Then the Somali cultural dancers get ready after Tarumbeta. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum. So I wanted to tell you a little bit more about East Leawood's programs, specifically filmmaking. Soon there will be a film called Mistaken coming out, and we wanted to let you know about it and just invite you to come and to see it when we do show. We are also very excited about some of our peace programs that are happening, and we would love to have more and more people come and be involved in that. And we are doing our best to really reach out into the Somali community, but also to have the Somali community reach out and make friends with the local Kenyans as well, to be able to build as much as possible into the community, to integrate well, and to have a peaceful East Leawood and a peaceful community. So I don't know exactly what else. I was asked also to share a little bit about what I like about Somali culture. And so I love Somali food. I love how many spices are put into it, all of the different like cinnamon and cardamom, and how Somalis make sha like extra special with all of the spices. I've loved seeing the entrepreneurial spirit of Somalis. It's been so wonderful to see how many Somalis are just so hardworking, how they love to do business. And so it's been so much fun to even see that and to learn Danto from some of my friends the other day. I'm still not very good at it, but I'm working in order to be able to learn and to do better. And so, yes, that I think is all that I have to share. But one of my friends wants me to speak in Somali, but so anigu maga ego wahana, anigu wahan ka imid Americanka, anigu wahan kunola melobadan, Alaska, Minnesota, Illinois, Florida, Arizona, anigu wahan kunola melobadan. Lakin anigu wahan ju'alahay ad yu'ad Kenya, wayo wa karubadan, Kenya wa karubadan ad yu'ad, anigu wahan ju'alahay dekanka Somalia, badan, wayo wa dekanka kahu, dad kahu. Yeah. So, mahal sanit, anuay, anigu wan farasanahay, inan Isla Joga adinku hada.
Thank you very much. I want on this time, because our commitments, to welcome Mheshimiwa, of course, of this area, to give his remarks, of course, Honorable Yusuf Hassan Abdi Kabukoje, Member of Parliament. Tupigie makofi tafadhali. Tusimame tu kidogo tumkaribisha ajisikie kwamba amependwa kidogo kwenye lake. Simama kama una nguvu, wacha wivu. Hata hizi kuona utaitwa mheshimiwa, watu watakusimamia. Thank you very much. I like one thing about you. I followed your campaigns last time. I like the way that people campaigned. Tunataka tukutume kwa mheshimiwa rais. Tuketi, asante. Tukutume kwa mheshimiwa rais. Mwambie sisi watu wa Somali tutafanya Somali cultural day nyingine.
Michael. Hamjambo. Assalamu alaikum. I am very pleased to be here with all these young people for this interesting event. Let me first of all congratulate Eastleigh Wood, pioneering organization, trailblazers, who've been able to bring us cultural activities and break new ground in our community. I also want to welcome all of the sponsors who have made it possible. Before I go any further, I wanted to correct something. Pangani, where we are, is in Starehe constituency, which is a neighboring constituency. So I don't want my colleague Maina Commander to come with a big stick to claim his territory. But I have a very fond memory of this particular place, this Liberty Cinema. I grew up here, and this used to be our local cinema. As a matter of fact, I had my first kiss here, watching Indian movies in this very theater. So it has fond memories for me. I want to acknowledge the presence of the ambassador for the Federal Republic of Somalia, our good friend Jamal Hassan. Please welcome here. I also like the way you have been constantly with us, supporting activities, cultural activities and social and economic activities in our constituency with the Somali community. So we appreciate your presence and your continuous support. I want to acknowledge my good friend, my former colleague in Parliament, Peter Kennan. Peter, karibu hapa tukuone kidogo. Simama tukuone kidogo. Peter is a very good friend. As you heard, he was a presidential candidate. He's now come around and he is going to stand as one of our candidates for governor in Nairobi, and I really want to welcome you very much. The other thing is Peter Kenneth, he's from my constituency. Wewe yeye ni mzaliwa wa Kamkunji, na tunataka Kamkunji iwe na jina nzuri katika Nairobi na katika Kenya, akituongoza katika siasa zetu. Kwa hivyo karibu sana. Nafikiri utapata nafasi ya kuzungumza. I want to say that what you have seen here, some very powerful performances, cultural performances, and it's difficult to follow up after that very strong, very inspiring and very strong dance, Somali dance, Danto, which is now one of the most popular genres in the dance culture of Somalis. waxaan doonayaa marka ugu horeysa inaan af Soomaali ugu tahniyadeeyo ururka dhalinyarada ee Eastleigh Wood halkan isugu keenay. Waxaan leeyahay ururkaasi hawl fara badan oo qurux badan ayuu qabtay. Sida ogsoontihiina ummad aan dhaqan iyo hiddo lahayn ummad ma noqon karto. Marka qaybta ay ka qaadanayaan dhaqankeena iyo hiddaha, baraarujinta iyo isu keenida dhalinyarada waa qayb muhiim ah. Waxaan leeyahay waan idinku tahniyadeynaya hawsha fiican ee haysaan halkaana ka sii wada. Waxa kale oo u mahadnaqay lahaa dadka u suurtageliyay oo dawladda Holland iyo Mareykanka ay ka mid tahay u suurtageliyay inay bandhigan soo dhigaan oo ay maanta isugu keenaan halkan. Waxaan leeyahay ummad dhalinyaray nabadda ilaaliya, wada jirka ilaaliya, wax wada qabsada idinka iyo dhalinyarada ummadaha kaleeta. horumarkiina wuxuu ku xiran yahay sida aad ula shaqeysaan ummadaha kaleeta la nooshiin. Marka aad baad u mahadsantahay. Na pia ningependa kuzungumza kwa lugha ya mama. Kiswahili ndio lugha ambayo inatuleta pamoja sisi wa Kenya. Kwanza kabisa nataka kuwashukuru hawa vijana wa Eastleigh Wood kwa kutuleta pamoja. Pia wadhamini waliowezesha serikali ya Holland na Marekani wageni wa kigeni ambao wameweza kukuja hapa leo kujumuika nasi katika hii mkutano wa kitamaduni. Kwa hakika ni nadra kuwaona Wasomali wakija pamoja kusherekea utamaduni wao. Kwa hivyo sisi Wakenya wengine tunafurahi kwamba mmeweza kutupa fursa ya kuona utamaduni wenu, mkisherekea maisha yenu na pia kusherekea usalama na umoja katika nchi yetu. Kwa hivyo nawashukuru sana, na kwa haya machache ningependa for those few words in Somali and Kiswahili and English, I would like finally to say that I am glad to officially open the Eastleigh Somali cultural event for today, and I wish you a very successful day of songs, poems, dance and discussions to bring us together. It is our humanity that brings us together. We are all, after all, human beings, and we all can work together for a peace and prosperous community, a peace and prosperous Kenya. And also we wish our brothers and sisters in Somalia a peaceful elections and a peaceful transfer or reaffirmation of the leadership that they have. And we are ready to work with them for the peaceful coexistence and for the development and well-being of East Africa and the whole of Africa. So asanteni sana na washukuru. Mungu awabariki.
Kali, where are you? Wapi makofi ya Kali tafadhali. She's always never disappointing. She's a very good performer, of course. She performs and moves the mountains that every Somali would want to dance. Mheshimiwa utaona hivyo, of course. Mheshimiwa Ismail Ado, of course, utaona hivyo pia. Utaona wakisimama tu. I think she asked these boys that sijui tuseme ni kumtoa nyoka pangoni ama ni kutoa nyoka pangoni. Thank you very much Kali, karibu.
Asabahay kalishi agar tu gayo yabalsan bulshada qarba walaacsan waqtiga aad joogto maanta hadduu adiku weynaaday dadweynaha kugu wareegsan inbaa warwarto yabalsan bulshada qarba walaacsan xaqiiqada waarankeeda hadduu weriyuhu tilmaamo xogtiisiyo waajibkiisa wargeysyada hadduu ku faafo adigu agar hawga qaadan wadkii dhibashada hamoodin haweerarin aragtidiisa xorriyadul qolkana hawiiqin xaqiiqada waarankeeda hadduu weriyuhu tilmaamo xogtiisiyo waajibkiisa wargeysyada hadduu ku faafo adigu agar hawga qaadan wadkii dhibashada hamoodin haweerarin aragtidiisa xorriyadul qolkana hawiiqin shacbigu waa wada walaalo walaayo hadday ku siiyeen yariyo weyn ku codeen shacbigu waa wada walaalo walaayo hadday ku siiyeen yariyo weyn ku codeen ayaantaadu abka fooshay haddana wanaaji weyday hadduu suxufigu warkiisa waseedyada uu ku faafshay suniya waabaaye hamoodin ayaantaadu abka fooshay haddana wanaaji weyday hadduu suxufigu warkiisa waseedyada uu ku faafshay suniya waabaaye hamoodin xaqiiqada waarankeeda hadduu weriyuhu tilmaamo xogtiisiyo waajibkiisa wargeysyada hadduu ku faafo adigu agar hawga qaadan wadkii dhibashada hamoodin haweerarin aragtidiisa xorriyadul qolkana hawiiqin xaqiiqada waarankeeda hadduu weriyuhu tilmaamo xogtiisiyo waajibkiisa wargeysyada hadduu ku faafo adigu agar hawga qaadan wadkii dhibashada hamoodin haweerarin aragtidiisa xorriyadul qolkana hawiiqin
Assalamu alaikum. Habari ya leo. Nafurahi kuhudhuria hii mkutano ambayo imeitwa Nestle Wood Cultural Festival ya Somali. Personally, I thought it was the whole of Eastleigh, including everybody, but I never thought it was only Somali community, which is still okay. So, we are thankful for having invited us. I don't have much to say, except I brought along my friend, my schoolmate, my brother, Peter Kenneth, who is the next governor of Nairobi. Having been in City Hall for the last 4 years, we have seen a lot. And issue of, I think if you guys elect Mr. Peter Kenneth, issue of garbage, issue of traffic jam, and lots of other ills that affect Nairobi. I think he can tackle it much more effectively than anybody else who is contesting today. And I would just like to welcome him to say a few words to you guys. Asante. Simtampigia kura lakini na makofi.
Asante Mheshimiwa Ado and our very hilarious MC and all participants, all fans, hamjambo. Hamjambo tena. Hamjambo. Osman, he didn't tell you he was my senior. We were in the same dormitory in Starehe Boys. And when I came to Isili, not so long ago, nikagundua ya kwamba yeye ni MCA. And I asked him, how did you get the votes? Because he never used to say anything in Starehe. He was a very quiet man. But he's a very, very good man. Sindio? Kibaki was our patron. Mimi sitaki kusema mengi. I'm enjoying myself. I think when I came in and I saw the two acts, then the young lady and was singing very well. And I said I've always enjoyed cultural shows. The only problem I have with cultural shows, when I attended the Rendile one at KICC, they said I look like them. Alafu nikaenda kwa ya Waborana kule Bomas, where the chairman was 1 year behind me in school, and the Borana said I look like them. So when I entered here for the Somali one Somali young man there said, "Hata huyu ni Msomali mwenzetu." So it tells you I can go for any culture, I can mix with anybody. I know Osman has told you what we want to do. There is one thing I know. Anybody in Nairobi can do better than Governor Kidero. Anybody. Anybody can do better than Governor Kidero. The second thing I want to encourage young people here, you are Kenyans. Please register as voters, get national IDs. If you are not able to get national IDs, talk to Mheshimiwa here, he will organize. But you must be equal stakeholders. And most important, and I want to assure you, because this is not a political place, it's a cultural entertainment, most important, and you can take this from me, mimi sina ubaguzi wowote. I take all communities as Kenyans. We live and work harmoniously as Kenyans, and we look after each other as Kenyans. Sivyo? Na ikifika wakati huo mwaka mwingine, nitazunguka zaidi nije tuzungumze, niwaombe kura kivyema. Sasa, asanteni sana.
Get some training on being a cinematographer, on how to operate the camera, on how to operate everything that you've seen being operated here. On how you can get youth empowerment, of course, visit Eastleighwood, go to their website, like their Facebook fan page, it's called Eastleighwood, and you will always get notifications on what is happening in and around Eastleighwood. To begin my coffee, tafadhali, the director for the good work.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. وفي عندي Habarino, Jumbo. What's happening? What's happening? Nobody's talking. What's happening? Is it boring? No, I want to see your hand. Hand is up. Hand is up. No, I think you are tired. You need to stand up. Tafadhalini, simameni kidogo, simameni kidogo. If you are Somali and you have non-Somali, please say mafi antai. Please say mafi. I'm not hearing you. I'm not hearing you. Please say mafi antai. If you are a Somali and you have non-Somali, what are you going to say? What are you going to say? Come on, I'm not hearing you. What are you saying to say? What is happening here? You say Habari, and if you have Muzungu, and maybe you are Somali or Kenyan or whatever, what are you going to say? Habari, Jambo, what else? Come on, you guys. I think, thank you very much. I'm here just to give you food of thanks. I'm requested. Unfortunately, I'm going to another event for tonight, for a stakeholder meeting. That one is just like invitation. We will not invite for all of you, but some of you will come. But I must take this opportunity to thank you for your participation, for active participation. This is a great day. I think it's first time you have seen a Somali cultural event in Kenya. Have you seen Somali cultural event in Kenya before? I think I'm aragtin naqameed Soomaali ay leedahay maanta ka hor xaga ku arag been ma ii sheegaysi هدي على تقعد تاك هدي على تقعد تاك سومالي بن نقل سومالي إلى هاي ولقوسم وده كان أنا جوغ كينيا هدي على ما تكهر وحنكا عصنا فضل قعدت هنا أتاك raise your hand. Okay, none of you have seen, right? So I think it is very fantastic. It is very historical day for all of us. Even me, I have not seen all this what we have seen today, be it for Somali art, both creative and historical art, including forgotten heroes and legends. If you have not seen this art, you can go first floor and you can visit them. My team will take you for a tour and they will show you and also they will explain. Also maybe they are selling but it's not expensive. Maybe you can buy some pieces. It's very creative. Maybe you can hand your home, you can share with your family, you can show your children. And you know, you guys, Somalis people think about they are less a human being. We are known for what? We are known for what? Come on guys, we are known for what? No, I think I should just do something here, yeah? We are known for violence. Whenever I watch mainstream media, I only see negative images coming from mainstream media, be it TV or magazine. They always talk about Somalis who are terrorists, Somalis who are pirates, Somalis who are bad. But I'm here to tell you, see what you are showcasing today. Today we are talking about Somali Dato, Somali catwalk. You see even the fashion, it's very nice, very beautiful girls. They normally say Somali girls are known for their beauty. I'm not advertising them, but I think they are very slim, tall, and what? And what? Oh, this is just a drama. I was thinking the terrorists, I think maybe they are going to school or something. But this is just about drama. It's a very nice one. So, ina waxay Soomaaliya ku hadlo in ay niim hada celiyo hadii dadka Soomaalida ee wadankan Kenya jooga waa in dadka kale oo Soomaalida ahayn ay dhex gashin waa in guriyeena ku casuuntiin waa in cunada la cuntiin waa in wax la baratiin waa walaalihiin horumarka dhaqanka nabadda barwaaqo iyo wax badan aan ka wada shaqeynayna waa in timadaas dhexgal ma ahan isdii kaliya inay amaadeen adeeg kaliya sheekaysatiin وأنا محبنا كبرتين لغة سواحلية أنا برتين لغة إنجليزية أنا برتين قناعتك أنا لسه ميزين وأنا نقطين تدخل القرآن والبحر وهرماركا أنا بدك شغال بدأ come on guys بدأ okay and if you are not Somali please make sure you reach out Somalis and learn more from them like culture how they do business also they are known for business Somalis all of them are not bad but few of them maybe like Rahman said 5 figures are not the same. Definitely, we have tall one, we have short one, we have brown, we have black, we have blue, and maybe we have chocolate, I don't know. So please, we are here to promote peace, cohesion, integration, and harmony. I want in Somali to come here and just say a few words in Somali. Please, please. I would like to call upon a Somali person to come here and share a few words in Somali. Somali is not hard, it's just a Latin. You can say, Mafi'an okay, Maharafta, Siyatahay, Hagakaima. Come on guys, let's promote Somali language. Just be brave, try, I will help you. Salfa, come. Salfa, it is very articulate person. I know she knows some Somali language. And she has the passion to say in Somali language something, and maybe she can also pass the message. Salfa, please come. Salfa. She's there. Please come. Salfa. Any other person, any other volunteer? Okay, please come. Please join me. Thank you very much. Please give him a coffee. Come on. A very brave young man. Okay, you want to say what?
I want to tell you, Mahanta.
Very good. Are you hearing? I will say it loud.
Mahanta, and I have some love for you. I have a music for you. I have a rap for you. Telling the focus go industry. Wanashangaa vitu mimi na do this the focus. My hater wanaponga ni dry pasta juu niko juu ni kama bypass. 207 good mother could die na masu wana cry ni kama tear gas in the eye na focus. I'm on ready ni kama sekolokeri na nguvu kama itabarena ni specific ready. Kani smooth mini lotion. Wengine ni mapipo, zangu ni madimpo. Rapper tupange people. Situmii kalama tumia bongo na tumia mpaka bongo. Yeah, okay. Skiza niki speed na shika mic flow. Mimi ni nani? Mimi ni Soulja King na speed the flow. Kenya paka bongo why man? Who am I? Hivi the flow gangster moto gangster tupa mistari kaze kutrigger kisniper. Wow!
Okay, thank you very much. Let me call Somali person to say something in Kiswahili and talk about Swahili food or maybe Swahili fashion, Swahili attire. Let me call Yusuf. A very good friend of mine called Yusuf. He's also from Isli. Please come here. Yusuf, please, kindly join me. Just join me. Mukofi. Okay, wait a minute. Are we together on this? It's only me who is just dancing. I really want to give him hard time, and you make sure you watch him, the way he shake like this. Please explain what I'm wearing. Thank you very much.
Habari zenu. Mimi sijui Kiswahili sana. Burhana nadhani tunajua Kiswahili, mimi sijui Kiswahili vile. Lakini amevaa shuka, sijui inaitwa shuka. Amevaa shuka au sio? Amevaa kikoi. Kuna Mswahili pale. Amevaa kikoi, amevaa sijui ameshika rungu ya Masai, lakini rungu ni ya Kisomali. Amevaa mshipi ya kitamaduni. Hii mshipi ni ya Wasomali, ni wale wazee wa Kisomali wa zamani wanafaa. Amevaa viatu ya slip. Amevaa jamba, tunaita jamba, sijui Kiswahili. I think kuna Mswahili hapa anaweza tusaidia.
Slippers.
Amevaa nini?
Slippers.
Kuja. Leo ni siku ya watu kutangamana. Simuliona wale wasichana wa Somalia wa kirembo wale walikuwa wanapita hapa. Leo unaweza funga ndoa. Simuona wasichana vile wako poa sana. Wanajifunika, ni kujifunika tu wanajifunika. Wakijiexpose, wengine hapa hata watamanga maji. For non-Somalis, you can hook up. Yeah, I hope you have seen a very beautiful ladies when they were parading here like military soldiers. How they were so beautiful. For non-Somali guys, you can make your first dates here. Even Mheshimiwa Hassan says he make his first kiss in this hall. So even you, but today you are not watching cinema, but you can also hook up. Your relationship can start today here in Somali Cultural Day or Somali Cultural Event. Au sio? Asante na shukuru.
Thank you very much, Yusuf. I don't want to say much, but those who are actually talented in acting, please join us. We'll give you a platform whereby you can showcase your talent. If you are actors or actor, it does not matter. If you are a Somali or non-Somali, it does not matter. As long as we have office here in Izmir, you can join us anytime. Social media and also our website, isliwood.org. Finally, let me thank you to our partner, Netherlands Embassy, and also Yadin East Africa, and all of you. You are the stakeholder. You are the one who's actually making this event great, and you are the one who's taking this to the next level. Let us make our country great. Let us make Kenya great. Let us build Somalia so that we get peace. Thank you very much, and see you to our next event.
As you can see, this thing, a man who just look like this, the very people who are just working in the market. They connect with the people, they connect with the terrorists, and they just attack the villagers, they attack the sellers, they attack the very unfair. But what you should know, as I report to you from the station, the Umoja television, it is very painful, and you should have one of us be your own security, as you should be our own security.
Habarini wananchi, mko salama? Habari yenu, mko salama? Mko salama? Tulieni hivyo. Mnajua mimi kama chifu wenu sifurahi kuona watu wakipigana, sifurahi kuona damu ikimwagika. Sasa mimi na shida tu moja na nyinyi. Ningependa kuona ule mtu mwenye adhurusha bomu ajitokeze hapa mbele, kwa sababu serikali na mkono mrefu.
Juzi mimi nilikuwa nimeenda kwangu, usikie wengine walikuwa wanapita hivi, mimi kusema
katoka teke.
Unamaanisha nini sasa? Sasa kwa nyinyi vijana, nataka mmoja jitokeze mbele ili kukuwe na amani. Jitokezeni mbele. Serikali na mkono mrefu. Haya. Ama kuna mmoja wenu hapa anaweza jitokeza? Hebu jitokezeni mbele. Kijana. Ni wewe? Ni wewe? Ni huyu? Wewe utasema mbele. Hebu tembea. Mnajua sisi kama wananchi haifai tuchukiane. Haifai uchukie jirani yako ati juu anatoka kwa dini fulani ama dini fulani. Si wote tunaomba Mungu mmoja, au sivyo? Si ndio? So tukitoka hapa tutokee na roho moja, akili moja na mwili moja. Asanteni sana. Haya.
Like diamonds in the sky, you're a shooting star I see, a vision of beauty, beauty. When you're near me, I'm alive. Like diamonds in the sky.
So, mimi ni poet, naitwa Jichopevu poet. Nikitoka stage nataka kuacha na spoken word moja, si ndio? Ni world ya craft na art pekee unaweza go freestyle. World imekuwa use na uongo mpaka imefika place mende iwezi kufa ikisprayiwa jimezo yao ma prophets of doom na read sect. Ni holy place inatero na basement mpaka makahaba. Kikathon tachora njia msalaba, kikathrine tandereba, kimira mitamakeba. God made man, man made man, imani ka manifest. Ikatochikiwa na senti mentality. Shubu hii dunia yenye makonmen watakucompare alafu uconvince na kucontrast uko faceless juu amekuconfess. Ukaenda kwa priest una confess kwa sababu hii world ni ndogo kuliko circumference yangu ya kisogo. Ina kelele kuliko band ya usogo. Winyo nani mlauda between band na minyo. Usijaribu kudevelop thick skin kwa hiyo mwili imeponea mkona dinosaur na Godzilla. Ikaenda kwa internet na fukuza na Firefox Mozilla. Si campaigni vita but ningekuwa Mike Tyson ningekupiga na hii jab. Wewe ni mwanaume lakini jumbo na stories za fashion. This time round nakupeleka Mr. Price na Gigosh nikuvalishe mpaka mahijab. Uzai kishega kwa mwili supu kiwezi kupea the answers to beauty. Education is the key. Lakini in life ukikufa bila wife na uko ipa degree ya masters wala sema ulikufa ukisomea bachelor. Asanteni.
I choose to be happy. You and I, you and I. Shooting star I see, a vision of beauty, beauty.
The spokesperson of Ferrari does good. So it's been exactly around 3 years ever since the Westgate siege happened. And let us face it, if not directly, you are indirectly affected by this event. Probably a friend, family, a sibling, or just someone you care about who's in there, or their friend who's in there. So, as the performance goes down today, let us enjoy the performance but not forget the message that comes from it. Let us not allow our tribe to be what divides us. Let us not allow our religion to be what divides us. People come and tell you, being a Muslim, you're a killer. You're what? You're an Al-Shabaab, you're what? Others tell you, if you're not a Muslim, you're an unbeliever, you're going to hell and all. So this performance today is supposed to be what? gets away or gets rid of this menace. This is what is supposed to bring us together. We are all human. I might not be your tribe, I might not be your religion, but we are one tribe in Kenya. So as Ferrari Dance Group come to perform today, let us get that message. The siege came to bring us together. The Al-Shabaab might have thought they might have divided us, that we have started hating each other, we've started segregating particular communities, but no. We came together, we stand together. And let us keep on standing together because unity is strength. If you ask me, I'll tell you my tribe is Kenyan. What is yours? Ladies and gentlemen, kindly give it up for Ferrari Dance Group.
Bien mieux qu'être mal accompagné. Pas vrai, où est ton papa? Dis-moi où est ton papa? Sans même devoir lui parler, c'est ce qui ne va pas. Ah sacré papa, dis-moi où es-tu caché? Ça doit faire au moins 1000 fois que j'ai compté mes doigts. Où t'es papa, 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 où too hard.